4 High Potential Opportunities explained into detail. Keep watching to start making serious money. The first high potential opportunity: earn money through affiliate marketing. One of the most common ways to generate money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains a reliable way to earn money on the internet. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. You can earn a commission from sales by marketing retail products, software, apps, and other services. The path to becoming an affiliate marketer can appear intimidating at first. However, breaking things down into smaller steps makes reaching your goals much easier. 1. Find a market niche. 2. Select an affiliate program. 3. Choose a traffic source. 4. Create content to foster trust. 5. Increase your audience. The first step is finding a niche. The reason you need a specialization is that if you recommend a wide range of things, consumers will not regard you as an expert they can rely on. People can tell you have experience in that field if you just recommend a single type of product and develop articles about it. To your knowledge, certain niches perform better than others. The money-making niche is one of the most profitable if successfully done. And apart from that, well-performing niches are the evergreen niches, which are markets that stay relevant forever, like health, relationships, etc. Step 2. You may identify acceptable affiliate programs in your niche in 2 ways, directly or through marketplaces. If you already know of brands in your niche that has affiliate marketing programs, you may approach them and sign up for them directly. Affiliate programs are usually free to sign up for. Another alternative is to join an affiliate program marketplace or network, where you may search through thousands of programs and sign up for them. Affiliate networks, such as the ones listed in a second, provide thousands of items in a variety of niches: ClickBank, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Digistore24. Step 3. At this point, you should think about your traffic source. People frequently believe that you must become a blogger with a dedicated website, which costs money. Though having one later on when you feel ready to reinvest in your business and build up is beneficial, it is not required. For deciding the platform, you have to keep your audience in mind. YouTube and organic blog traffic is often a good option for many niches, but these traffic sources are often used and might have forced competition. Instagram is a great option for certain things, but it is harder to link people to a product or blog, since you cannot use links inside a post itself. The same is true for TikTok, but TikTok is an amazing offer if the products you sell have a wow factor and might lead to virality. Pinterest is amazing, since it allows for links to singular posts, but Pinterest audience is mainly dominated by women and many over the age of 30, so if you start Pinterest, this has to be your audience. Step 4. Because creating a content library takes time, it's a good idea to plan ahead of time and develop a content calendar or strategy. Your calendar can specify the types of material you'll publish on any given day, such as tutorials, Q&As, product reviews, how-tos, and tips and tricks. Planning content is important because you don't have to think about the content just before having to post. But the most important factor is value, not just value, but value to your target audience. So it is important that your content is targeted and described in the right way so that algorithms push your content to the desired audience. Use tags and the right headlines. Step 5. Grow your audience. Stay consistent with content, stay interactive with your audience, and you will slowly see your audience grow. To convert this audience, it is often beneficial to capture their emails through a sales funnel and use email sequences to sell them offers. But reminder that people only buy if they trust you to some extent. The second opportunity. Start a YouTube channel. You can make money on YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who uploads odd stunts on his YouTube channel, is the highest paid YouTuber, earning $54 million in 2021. Many others make loads of money on YouTube with simple videos. To create a strong, dedicated audience, your YouTube channel should focus on a specific niche. You can, for example, make cosmetics lessons, broadcast video games, review items, teach skills, make prank films, or anything else you believe will appeal to an audience. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content that people want. Create witty headlines to entice people to watch your videos and use keywords in your description to optimize for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. The great thing about YouTube is that it doesn't require you to have your face in the videos. You can upload faceless videos, just like this one. We have some tips for you before starting. Look up the file size of a video, thumbnails, banners, and profile picture, and create something clear and attractive in your niche. You can make use of websites like Canva.com or other Photoshop apps for this. For videos, you can use stock footage that you can find online. Make sure that the footage you use is free for use on YouTube. Websites like Pexels have a variety of photos and videos. Pixabay has a variety too, and it has copyright-free music as well. Use any video editing software you want to use. The last tip for uploading on YouTube is how to optimize titles. You should consider whether you want your title to be searchable or if you plan to make it more personal for your existing audience. When you start, you should target search, since that is the only way to get views through the YouTube platform itself. Opportunity 3. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making notion. However, you can engage someone with programming abilities to create an app for you. Fiverr and Upwork will connect you with a wide variety of app developers who are eager to collaborate with businesses to make their concept a reality. All you need to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify your target demographic, and design a brand image for your product. The programmer you employ will handle the development side of things. When it comes to monetizing your app, adding it to Google Play and the App Store is your best choice. And, contrary to popular belief, having a free app can help you make more money than having a premium app. You can make money by adding adverts or premium features to a free app. Because the free app will attract a larger number of users, it will be easier to upsell them. Bonus opportunity. Invest in stocks and ETFs. Investing is another way to generate money. If you aren't an expert at picking stocks, you might want to pass on investing in stocks, but instead focus on ETFs. While it has the largest potential rewards, it can also result in financial loss if you are inexperienced. If you are currently employed, investigate your company's financial initiatives. Do they allow you to buy business stock? If so, register for it. As an employee, you have some effect on the organization's performance with a company stock program. If your workplace has an RRSP matching program, you can enroll in it if you want to save for retirement or a down payment on your first house. ETFs are a bundle of stocks and can limit risks, but might result in a lower reward. There are many ETFs out there, but S&P 500 is a famous and good one. Other ETFs that might be good investments are ETFs that own a variety of companies in a niche that has high growth potential. Opportunity 4. Creating an ebook. Create and market an ebook. If you've always wanted to write a book but have been putting it off for years, releasing an ebook could be the solution. You don't have to approach a publisher if you want to publish a book because self-publishing is an alternative. Because the entry hurdle is quite low, expect a lot of competition. To stand out from the crowd, you must produce the greatest ebook possible and meet the expectations of your readers. Some things to think about before putting pen to paper, figuratively speaking, are choosing an appropriate topic, something about which you are passionate or knowledgeable. There are no hard and fast rules about the length of your ebook. The title of your ebook should pique people's interest and attract them in. Create original content, offer insights that no other ebook does. The ideal format is PDF. And you should check your ebook for grammatical faults. It's not just about the content when it comes to cover design. A visually appealing cover is also essential for success. You must sell your ebook once it has been written. Trying to reach out to everyone is not the greatest strategy. If you can identify a market, you have a better chance of success. You could sell ebooks on many marketplaces, and creating it is relatively simple. The hard thing remains driving the traffic. You could use ads or social media platforms. Make use of these opportunities and start making money from the comfort of your home and be the boss of your time and place. Opportunities like affiliate marketing, creating a YouTube channel, creating an app and creating an ebook are 4 high-potential businesses and are relatively easy to start. Furthermore, it doesn't require extremely large investments. On that note, we thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.